Avoid the shiny object syndrome with your online business by Professor Theodore Henderson. Let's get down to business. In some niches, there are new product launches every single day. With the Make Money Online niche, there is usually more than one new product launched each day. All of the sales products for these product launches tell you that their training will show you that you need to use their tactics to succeed with your online business. We are not saying that these products do not provide any value. Some of them are really good and will reveal techniques that you will be unaware of. But a lot of these products are the same thing rehashed over and over. It is hard to believe that some of the wild claims made by these product vendors are allowed in this day and age. Again, the Make Money Online niche is probably the biggest culprit with this. Some sales letters and videos claim that you can make a fortune by using their software, and there is hardly any work for you to do. Turn your computer into an ATM is a classic claim that some of these sales pages make. This is total nonsense, of course, but it is surprising how many people fall for this. Getting buyer traffic to your offers in under 60 seconds is another classic wild claim. If it seems too good to be true, then it probably is. The grass is greener. A lot of sales pages for new products in your niche will tell you that you are doing it all wrong and that your current online business will never be as successful as you want it to be. They tell you that you need to join forces with them as the grass is greener over there. The grass is rarely greener with these programs. There are always different techniques that you can use to improve your online business, but what you shouldn't consider is changing it altogether. It doesn't matter how powerful the copywriting is on the sales page. You should stick with your current business and work on ways to increase your revenues. Changing from one online business model to another is something that newcomers to online business tend to do. They give up on one model very fast because they are not getting the results they expect. These people are always on the lookout for the next shiny object that will change their lives. You will never have a successful online business if you keep chopping and changing all of the time. Stick with your original plan and see it through. If you have tried your best and don't deliver the results you want, you can think about a change. Changing on the whim of a new shiny object is something that you need to avoid. Limit your exposure to shiny objects. If you are being exposed to new shiny objects regularly, then cut out the source. Maybe you are a member of an online forum where this is discussed all the time. Either stop using the forum or avoid the sections that have the shiny object information. A lot of people hear about new shiny objects via email. Unsubscribe from the lists that keep pumping out these offers to you. They are not providing any value and just cluttering up your inbox. Visit www.theodorehenderson.com for complimentary business tools and resources.